This is Abdullah Kashmir, Class CIS 274 XML Programming, and this is Class 3 assignment. For this assignment, we needed to add videos to our file aside from the poems. And the beginning was not easy because I was not able to edit this and add a folder that's called My Data, then add poems to it. I could have done it by adding everything in poems and then moving everything from the outside to this inside, but it would have been a lot of work. So what I did is I opened a normal notepad and just added my data at the beginning and at the end, which made poems my a child to my data and made my data is the root. And after that, everything was easy because I was able to add a child element which called videos and populate my data from there on. Now for this file, I added videos. Each one has a link and a rating and description, just like in the wiki file. And it was pretty easy by just clicking right click over here and element add child, then to my videos add element to each one and call the same. This is how my data is gonna look like. The poems did not get affected, it stayed the same. It was pretty easy to add more data to it. And this is the videos data over here. Each one has a link, rating, description. Of course, the data is not the same. This one is described in poems and has author and title and paragraphs, lines, each one. This data is different, yet everything is still organized. Now to look at it a little bit better. So this is my data. This is the root, which is the only root I have. We can only have one root. That's why I couldn't add the videos. I still have my poems, just the way it was before. Nothing changed to it, even though I changed it from root to child to root. And this is my videos links, and each one has a link, rating, description, and it was pretty easy to add it. This is video 2, video 3, and poems still not affected, just the way I put it before, still organized, and nothing have changed.